Hey mathematicians, we're going to practice some addition strategies together today. To get started, I want to talk to you about some addition vocabulary that we will need to know. So the first two words here you see are addend, and that is a word that means that it's a number you're adding to another number. So 7 and 9 in this number sentence both are addends. They're adding together to create a sum, which is the answer to an addition problem. So you're going to be finding the sum with two addends today. The first strategy I want to show you is by using tools. So with tools, we can find the sum of an addition problem. So my question to you is, what is the sum of 321 and 1,131? This first one I'm going to model with you, but the next one you will try on your own, and then you'll be able to check my thinking with yours. So 321, I'm going to model that with 3 flats. And I'm going to get out 2 longs and 1 unit. Then I'm going to model the second addend, 1,000. So I've got 1,000. I'm going to move my hundreds a little. And then I need to get 100, 3 longs, and 1 unit. Then I can add together all of my model. So I've got 1,400, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 1,452. So that is the sum of these two addends. Here's the next one. I want you to get your toolbox out and use your base 10 blocks to show 221 and 156. When you're finished, type in your answer to play pause it. Leave your tools out after so that you can check your tool model with mine. All right, now that you've done that, I'm going to model 221 with 2 flats, 2 longs, and 1 unit, and 156 with 1 flat, 5 longs, and 6 units. So now I've got 3 flats, 7 units, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 longs. Now I'm going to add all of these together to get my sum. 300, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 7. So if you got the answer of 377, you are correct. For the second strategy, we're going to try something a little different. This is called using expanded form to help you add together 2 addends. So here's a chart that you can use for that. Down here are the numbers we're adding together. 21,155 and 11,122. So I'm going to first take the first addend and put it into expanded form. So the 2 here is worth 20,000. The 1 is worth 1,000. The 1 here is worth 100. The 5 is worth 50. And the 5 ones is worth 5. I do the same thing for the second number. 10,000. 1,000. 100. 20. And 2. Now I'm going to add each of the place values together. 5 plus 2 is 7. 50 plus 20 is 70. 100 plus 100 is 200. 1,000 plus 1,000 is 2,000. and 20,000 plus 10,000 is 30,000. Now I can put all of these together to find the sum. 30,000, so I'm going to put a 3 in the 10,000s place, 2 in the 1,000s place, 2 in the hundreds place, 7 in the tens place, and 7 in the ones place to get my final answer. Now notice these boxes up top. Those are for if you have so many ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, or 10,000s that you have to, instead of putting that whole number here, like if this was 5 plus 9, that would be 14. Well, I can't put 14 ones in the ones place. I can only put 4 there, and then I can take 10 to the tens place. So these extra boxes up here help you if you need to have another place value added. So here's the next one. 5,632 plus 21,963. On your desk, use this chart to help you solve for the sum. Once you have your answer, go ahead and type it into PlayPosit, and then we will check it together. Okay, now that you've had time to try it, I'm going to put these numbers in. And you can check yours with mine. So here's 5,632. Here's 21,000. And 963. Now we'll add them together. 2 plus 3 is 5. 30 plus 60 is 90. 600 plus 900 is 1,500. And here's where we need to use that extra box because we can only fit up to 900s here, and we have 1,500. So we'll only put 5 here, and then we'll take the extra 1,000 and put it up here. Now we have 1,000 plus 5,000 plus 1,000, and that's 7,000. And then here's 20,000. When we add all those place values together, we get 27,595. These are 2 strategies that you can use to help you with addition. We're going to be learning more strategies as time goes on, and you're also going to be working with bigger numbers. But you had the chance to practice today with smaller place values and 2 strategies that you might or might not have used in the past. As you go to part 2 and 3, you're going to get to practice more with these strategies.